Gantry crane ready, loading and delivery. Before lifting the main girder on the legs and in truck need to use wire rope, steel bar and other method to fix it. Cannot have any risk, ensure safety is one important things. When we lifting main girder on the legs, we use two 150-ton mobile cranes to do this work. Consider the main girder weight and site condition. We install the main girder one piece by one piece. Due to install area and weather conditions not good, so install this big gantry crane. It was a difficult job. Our team still managed to do a great job. Gantry crane steel frame structure installation ready. Good job, my team.